Well, the race is on to save more than 500 giant sequoia trees in Yosemite's Mariposa Grove. Some of them are more than 3,000 years old. NBC's Miguel Almaguer reports from Mariposa County, California.
This is a main entrance, the south entrance to Yosemite National Park that is now shut down. As you can see, fire is burning just behind me. It swept through this forest. Some 600 sequoia trees, 500 in the Mariposa area alone, are under threat. More than 500 firefighters are on the ground, including teams in the air, doing all they can to protect those trees. This has certainly been an ongoing effort. This fire started on Thursday. No official cause for the fire, but it's quite possible this blaze was human caused. Crews are now doing all they can to protect these majestic trees that can be up to 3,000 years old and hundreds of feet high. For now, no sequoias, at least to our knowledge, have been lost in this firefight, which does continue. In the days ahead, though, we're looking at some hot conditions, which will certainly hamper the firefight. But the good news is we don't expect gusty winds. So crews are going to do all they can over the next 24 to 48 hours to get this blaze under control. Right now, it's more than 2,000 acres. It's burning completely out of control. Again, some 500 firefighters on the ground and a critical air attack doing all they can to protect a national treasure. Back to you.
And that grove of trees is actually now being protected by a sprinkler system that the firefighters have set up. Officials also say that fortunately the area has a long history of prescribed burning to reduce vegetation that can fuel flames. Fire officials say that fire has burned about 2,400 acres and is 25% contained.